again, he's doing a great job. Ooh, was that another low blow?
Well, I think it was a body shot.
Like an old 31.
Oh, they're
did he just
calling
say
it.
he's done?
They're calling it.
Matapos makuha ng Pinoy na si Mercito Hista alias No Mercy ang bakanting WBO North American Boxing Organization lightweight title kontra sa knockout artist na tubong Amerika na si Robert Manzanares via majority decision noong taong 2018, ay sunod naman niyang kinasahan ang knockout artist din na Meksikano, ang dating WBC Youth Featherweight Champion na si Juan Antonio Rodriguez alias Zordo El Mozo. Nangyari ang laban taong 2019 sa Amerika at dito nalasap ng Pinoy na si Mercito Hista ang pinakauna niyang talo via KO. 2 buwan lang ang lumipas ay isang Pinoy ulit ang kinasahan nitong Meksikanong knockout artist na si Juan Rodriguez. Ito ay sa katauhan ni Romero Dono alias Ruthless. Ang laban ay para sa bakanting WBO North American Boxing Organization lightweight title. Nakaschedule ang laban sa 10 rounds at ginawa ito sa Fantasy Springs Casino sa Indio sa Amerika. May impresibong record ang Meksikano na 30 wins, 7 losses, 26 dito via knockout, habang impresibo din ang kartada ni Romero Dono na 19 wins, only 1 defeat, 15 via knockout. Parehong may mataas na knockout ratio ang dalawa, pero tila kumpiyansa ang Meksikano na kaya niya ang Pinoy dahil sa pinatumbanan niya si Mercito Hista na isa ding matibay nating pambato. Pero sa mismong bakbakan ay isang madugong wristback ang ginawa ng Pinoy na si Romero Dono. Pinabagsak ang makunat ng Meksikano nang masapol ito sa bodega.
It was not a foul. It was kind of like in the liver area.
Sabay nating balikan ang maaksyon at madugong laban ng Mexican kontra Philippines, ang Romero Dono kontra Juan Antonio Rodriguez para sa bakanting WBO North American Boxing Organization lightweight na titulo.
Is that there's the country pride and the fighters often come.
Round 1, agresibo agad ang Pinoy. Gusto agad makarisbak sa kababayang tinalo na nitong Meksikano na si Mercito Hista. Malulutong na mga patama agad ang binibitawan ni Dono. Gustong lapain ng maaga itong Meksikano pero di naman nagpapalugi itong kalaban. Bumabanat din kay kabayan.
You know, this training camp, Duno started in the Philippines.
Manny Pacquiao was
Born. He says he's inspired by her every single day. Focus now, because I understand my singular focus and who I...
He just doesn't go to them anymore.
I know that's right. And here in our main event in Indio. Welcome back. Round number 2. Pedal.
Round 2, mas uminit at tumindi pa ang laban. Sabayan ng mga kombinasyon ang dalawang mandirigma. Mapapansing agresibo na din dito ang Meksikano. Pinapalaga na ang lakas ni Romero Dono.
Body shots are heavy. Mercito Hista
online on Sunday is going to be shown on national TV around in the Philippines, and everybody is tuning in. So if you start getting a
great ratings.
I can't even imagine what it must feel like to be the face of a country. Send us a tweet. Let us know. Say what's up. Rodriguez takes a body shot from...
Huling segundo ng round 2, malabombang kamao ang pinatama ng Pinoy sa Meksikanong kalaban na bahagyang nagpaatras dito.
Now, Duno is just unloading, hoping he is not holding back. Round number 2 in the books. Round 3. Thank you. And these two...
Round 3, tuloy pa din ang palitan nila ng mga mabibigat na mga banat. Nakakatama na din dito ng mga solido ang Meksikano na talagang nagpaalog din sa Pinoy.
Well, you don't beat Hesta by a fluke. He controlled that throughout.
I do know, or the prospects power. Mercito Hista, he was facing a
Big shot by Rodriguez.
Yeah, in Hesta, he was facing an experienced fighter, somebody who's world.
Has landed 2 or 3 really good shots on Duno.
Duno landed a right hand off.
Mas agresibo na din dito si Rodriguez dahil sa mga sunod-sunod niyang patama, pero agad namang gumanti ang Pinoy ng mga kombinasyon.
Third round.
This third round belongs to Rodriguez. So
Mentally, he had to see what happened to Hesta and say, listen, this is going to be a fight. Left hand by Rodriguez. Just measuring now.
So not only are the skills of Duno being tested in this fight, you know what though? With his experience, he's been through stuff.
Round 4, makikitang may sugat na si Rodriguez sa kaliwang mata dahil sa suntok ni Dono. Pero matapang pa din itong nakipagsabayan kay Kabayan.
More consistent fighter, offensively speaking, in those opening 2 rounds was Rodriguez.
Power punches in round 3 look like.
He's landing a lot. Duno landing at a slot. And look at that face. He's feeling like an old 31.
Oh, they're calling it.
Makikitang sobrang nadismaya ang kampo ng Meksikano sa ginawang pag-surrender ng kanilang pambato. Pero makikitang sobrang duguan na din si Rodriguez, 3 bitak na sa mukha ang nakuha sa laban. At ang naging resulta ay panalo ang Pinoy sa laban via technical decision at hinirang si Romero Dono na bagong WBO North American Boxing Organization lightweight champion.
General Santos City in the Philippines, Romero Dono.
Isang madugong risbak ang ginawa ni Romero Dono sa Meksikanong tumalo kay Mercito Hista via KO.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.